Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to day 14? Day 14 of my trip down memory lane. I am going back and spending the 24 days leading up to Christmas, sharing some of my favorite cards from my former holiday card series or Festive Friday series. And I'm basically re-uploading those videos to share with you. So yeah, if I mention classes, supplies, etc., please just disregard because I literally just re-uploaded these. I know you guys are probably getting tired of me saying that since I'm filming these all on the same day, but I just want to make sure that there's no confusion. These supplies are probably not available, especially if I say Stampin' Up. I used to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I am no longer a Stampin' Up demonstrator. But yeah, so in today's video, we are creating probably one of my favorite cards from this particular holiday card series. I just had this idea for the word Noel with that wise man in the middle, and I love this black and copper color scheme. So yeah, we're going to do some embossing. We're going to do some die cutting in this card. These are getting rough. So before I forget, in the description box down below, say it with me, links to former holiday card series playlist along with a link to my Etsy shop. If you're interested in supporting by purchasing cards, you're welcome to do so. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comments down below. Every video will have a giveaway attached. Winners will be chosen either at the end of December or the 1st of January. So let's go watch me make this really kind of unusual Christmas card. Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to Thursday's card. Holy Moses. I cannot believe we are almost done, not only with this week, but with these stamp sets. I'm so excited. So today I'm going to be using the Wise Men from this Wise Men from Afar. And I'm going to be using this little piece that I had left over yesterday, and I'm going to be embossing on that. So let's get that out of the way first. I'm going to be using some copper embossing powder. This lined up where I want it. I know it's time to clean off the desk because I'm running out of room. So let me go ahead and line this up. This is the largest circle from the stitch shape circles or stitch shape framelits. I used it in yesterday's card for our little shaker. It looks pretty good. You can actually see them because of the leftover ink residue. Oh my word. Oh my word. Let's bring in a scrap piece of paper, embossing powder. And if you missed yesterday's card, the sheet music I just stamped them on is actually the song We Three Kings. Right, I'm gonna heat emboss this. I'll be right back. Base 4 1/4 by 11. No, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. Scored at 4 1/4. This is why I give you guys a recipe, because sometimes I say stuff incorrectly, but the real honest, truthful directions, or dimensions I should say, are in the recipe that you can find on the coordinating blog post, which will be linked down below. I have this piece of the Merry Music Designer Series paper. This is Cantique de Noël. I probably screwed that up, but it's actually Oh Holy Night. So I believe that maybe that's French. I don't know, actually. Let me shut up. Let me just shut up. I don't have any idea. Okay, so for this card, I am going to have some copper accents, but I'm going to spell out the word Noel with this as my O. And what I've done is I've cut out N, E, and L out of copper and out of basic black. And I'm going to make it look like it has a little bit of a drop shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and use liquid glue again. And I don't want a lot of glue. So I'm just going to line this up. Just like that. So there's the L. So we'll do, ooh, I can line them up on the stanza. Yes. Yay. And I think I'm going to adhere these. Oh no, it didn't go so far. Oh wait, can I adhere? Yep. I think I'm going to adhere these flat. And then I'm going to put the O up. That's relatively straight. How did that happen? Who am I? Okay, are you gonna be able to see it? That is the question. You know, I think I did this backwards. Okay, don't fret. We're gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. Let's put this flat. And then we'll put the other ones on dimensionals. I'm going to use our little mini dimmies. I'm going to fast forward through me putting them on the back because I'm just literally putting them on the back. All right, let's do the E and the N first. Actually, I can see exactly where I had it before, so that turned out really well. Gonna add the star with some dimensionals. And then I thought I wanted to add some sequins. Maybe not. See if I can pick out some copper sequins out of here. I'm using my pickup stick. This is from Silhouette, but I think you can get them several places. I'm just gonna add with some liquid glue. As randomly as possible. So put it on the glue. One more touch. I want a little bit of Wink of Stella on the letters. Guys, that's it. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this one? Thank you so much for joining me. I cannot believe we have one more card to go. And so I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Bye for now. Hey there guys, I just wanted to say that I would love if someone would be interested in buying a set of these cards. I feel like this would make a gorgeous set of cards. So I'm going to be offering any of my designs that I've made so far as and any increment. So message me at TheJollyFatElf@gmail.com if you are interested in getting these cards as a set for your own Christmas cards. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.